Hey YouTube, Garage Boys here, back at it again. Today we're gonna work on my my baby. This is my 2011 Ford F-150. It's a Platinum. I'm gonna work on the AC resistor because the AC speed is only working at max actually. But this is the one with the touchscreen radio and navigation and all that stuff. So I'm gonna work on it. I'm gonna show you how to fix it. I fixed it before. It's very simple. This is it right here. I fixed it before, but I bought the part from AutoZone and I think it lasted like about 2 weeks and then it burned on me. So I'm not sure if I have a short or something or if it was just a part was just crappy. So now I went to the main source Ford dealer and I bought the part. It was $70 something. But anyways, I'm gonna show you what to install. I'm gonna show you the issues giving, and I have other fixes for this car. You can check on my Ford repair playlist and you can scroll and find this truck. There's a couple of fixes for it. So I also bought a actuator because when I turn it on it starts knocking. I can hear the knocking behind the radio system, so I'm going to replace it later. I'm going to show you that as well. You can click on this link and see all the fixes for this truck, F-150 2011. And I have a previous video of fixing the actuator that's back there by the pedals down there. This truck is infamous for having bad actuators. That's kind of like the main thing that goes on, which is fine because they're cheap. I actually bought this one at the dealer for $22, but you can buy them online for $15 and they're the same. I'll have a link in the description for that if you want, but very common issue. Let me show you. Let me turn this on and I'm going to show you my issue. So okay, so you heard the knocking. That's this. I'm also gonna do the brakes. I'm gonna do the rotors and brakes, front and back. So I'm gonna have a video for that. If you wanna look at that, like I said, click on the playlist. But anyway, another issue that I have, which I don't have a fix yet. If you guys know this issue, please let me know in the comments below. My touchscreen stopped working on me. Man, that sucks big time. And I'm not sure how to fix that. So if you know, please let me know. I'm gonna research later on and do it later. And eventually I'm gonna have this fixed in my channel, the touchscreen. But if you know the answer for this, the solution for this, please let me know down in the comments because I really need to fix my touchscreen. But anyways, now back to the problem on hand. See my speed, I can go to 1 power speed and still it's at max and it doesn't change. My volume of speed, my level of speed for the AC, it's always the same. I can change the temperature, make it warmer and colder, that's not an issue, but it's always in max. I can't make it less. And your problem there is the resistor. And I have this fixed on many cars, and this is your problem. Whenever you have this issue on any car, your problem is the resistor, and it's always the first thing attached to the AC blower. I know I talked about a lot before, it's already been 3 minutes or so, but I'm just telling you a lot of important information. Hopefully it helps and don't hate. But okay, to fix this resistor, we're gonna go ahead and take off our glove compartment, which is super easy. Open your glove compartment, take everything that's inside, boom, and now you're gonna press on this side and then this side at the same time, and you will be able to drop your glove compartment. See, just like that. Now our resistor is right there. See, it's this one right there. So we can work on it from here. I may remove this just so I can record better for you guys. If you have to remove it by any chance, it's just this little screws right here. I think they're size 7. They're usually size 7mm. So there's 2 of them. You take those off and your glove compartment will come straight down. Okay, and then that also gives you access for the AC blower if you need to replace that. But that's your resistor right there. So let me show you what you have to do next. Okay guys, so I'm not even gonna remove my glove compartment because it's not necessary, like I mentioned before. This is my setup right here. Ratchet with a size 8. It's actually a size. These are 7, but those right there are 8. And this is my setup. I'm just gonna come from underneath right here, and now that I can see, because I removed my glove compartment from the top, you can just come in here and remove this right here. They are not tight bolts because they're on plastic. So they're really easy to remove. You can actually do them with your hand after you could just loosen them off a little bit. But just do this one, and there's one back here on the side. Wait, I'm sorry. There's no brightness, but there's one back there, just like this one. And then the plug is an easy plug-in push and pull. So you're gonna push here, where my thumb is, push and pull down, And there you go. So that came down nice and easy. And now I'm gonna go ahead and remove those two. You can actually see the other one back there. And this one, size 8. Let me remove those, and then I'm gonna show you what else you have to do. Okay, guys, so I removed it. That's where it came off from. As soon as you take it off, very easy. I actually found out, see, this is my old one. Obviously, it's burned. It couldn't resist the current, so it's a bad resistor. And that's trash. I got my new one, which looks actually way better and looks better quality. Let me go ahead and place it in there. Same way, but in reverse. This goes in first. Cable pointing down. It's 2 screws. Let me put that back up. Let me put that in there, and then I'm going to show you if it fixed my issue or not. So here we go. Okay, guys, so replaced it, plugged it in, everything's all set. I just need to close my glove compartment. I'll do that in just a second, but let's try it out. Okay. Oh, I can feel it already. Yay. Okay, so we are at 1. Yep, it's working. Awesome. Let me give it more speed. And it's going up. Yes, on the way, and yeah, it's working. Awesome. Great. So it was 75 bucks. I bought it at the dealer. I recommend you buy it at the dealer as well. The part, like I said, the part that I bought from AutoZone, it just lasts me a couple of weeks. So yeah, that sucks. But yeah, buy it from the dealer, and that's awesome. Now that I fixed that, I'm gonna move on to probably the brakes and rotors. You can, like I said, watch my other videos on my Ford playlist, or just click on this card right there, or the one I had before, and you can see all those videos. I also have to replace the actuator in the back of this because it keeps making that noise every time I turn on the car. I think that controls the probably the temperature, if I want it hot or cold. I'm not sure. I'm gonna double check. But I'll let you guys know. I'm fixing that, fixing the brakes, rotors. I replaced that actuator before. There's a couple of videos that I have on this truck. But thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked it. Please like, subscribe, share. Tell your friends. It's really annoying if you have this issue and you don't know how to fix it. And it's a super easy fix. It took me about 15 minutes or so. You have a lot of space from both sides, so you can make your way through and kind of work on whatever position best fits you. And that's it. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.